I totally avoid wearing skirt in public places.
अपने देश में लड़कियों से ज्यादा सेफ तो गाय हैं, कम से कम उनका रेप तो नहीं होता।
भाई एक लड़की के लिए ना दिस इज हेल ऑन अर्थ।
9 बजे के बाद लड़की घर से बाहर निकलेगी, रेप तो पक्का है।
यार इंडिया का ना कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
बुरा हाल है यार, बुरा हाल है बहुत।
रात छोड़ो, मुझे तो शाम को भी घर से बाहर निकलने में डर लगता है। ऐसे मारने से अच्छा है ना पैदा होते ही मार देते हैं।
You have been hearing comments like these for the past 2 years, and I can assure you that none of these comments have any logical basis whatsoever. So today, let's talk statistics. What comes to your mind when you think of rape? एक अकेली लड़की, सुनसान रास्ता, अनजान लड़का, नियत फिसली और रेप हो गया. If you think all cases of rape are such, then you're terribly wrong. Out of the 583 rape cases that were fully argued in Delhi District Court, only 12. That means only 2% cases were such. In 123 of the cases, the girl didn't appear in the court or accepted that she filed a false case for money or revenge. From the remaining 460 cases, 40% of the cases, the girl eloped away with the man, and when their marriage failed, she came back home and her parents filed a rape case against the man. 25% of the cases were consensual sex with the man, making a false promise of marriage to the woman. 33% of the rape cases, the woman was raped by a relative or an acquaintance. 33% of the rape cases, the woman was raped by a relative or an acquaintance. The image portrayed in India seems that all the cases were committed by strangers, which has backfired so badly that even more women have stopped going out of their homes after 9 p.m. from the fear of getting raped. The attention given to rapes in India has destroyed India's image to such an extent that Washington Post went as far as saying that rapes are an epidemic in India. I mean, that's really ironic because in India, 4 out of every 1 lakh women were raped, which is far fewer than most other countries. USA has 52 rapes in every 1 lakh women. Recently in Nagaland, a man was lynched after being accused of rape. A mob entered the jail to take him out and stoned him to death. And later on it was proved that the rape accusation was actually false. Do you think this would have ever happened before media started sensationalizing rapes in India? We are not saying that rapes should not be highlighted. But what was started on the pretext of spreading awareness is actually spreading fear in our society. We believe that this is not a time to step backwards, but rather make an effort to smash those barriers which force women like you and I.
यार मैं ठीक आ रहा था यार।
बहुत सही यार, ऐसे ही जो when you're mincing your words, when you're stopping to force women like you and I, when you're stopping yourself while saying that. बहुत सही यार।
We believe that this is not a time to step backwards. We believe that this is not a time to step backwards, but rather make an effort to smash those barriers which force women like you and I to think twice before going out late at night, before stepping into a cab, and even before wearing a fucking skirt. The idea of the video is to encourage women to work. Because clearly the statistics show that India is far better than it is portrayed. Rape is about power. It happens mainly because rapists believe that men are stronger than women. So I urge you to not think twice. Step out. Take that cab. Take that late night job. And wear that dress you like.